Here is how you can zoom in and zoom out in your Mac easily. So whenever you are in a situation, for example like this situation, and you cannot see here, the sentences is below the screen, so you cannot see option here and you cannot read it. So in this case you just need to zoom out a little bit. Okay, so for example, how will do that? Just press command and minus. Okay, you can see after I pressed command and minus, you can see here I can see it properly all the four options and I can submit. Okay, so you can just do command and minus to zoom out and command and plus to zoom in. You can do zoom in. Okay, like this, command and minus to zoom out, command and plus to zoom in. Okay, hopefully you have got the answer here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.